how can we be selling a watch that was made in 2016 when the list price of the new version is £7,100 and we're asking £14,000 for this? It's because the world's gone mad. Such a difficult watch to get. People are calling it a bit of a crisis of supply of these watches. That in turn is really dictating the pre-owned market. My name is Paul Lewis and I'm the watch specialist at Burrells in Winchester. Before I joined the wonderful people at Burrells, I was working in an AD, a Rolex AD, for over 20 years. And I remember in 2007 when this watch was launched, it quickly got the nickname the Bruiser. Subsequently now it's effectively known as the Batman. That's when you know, I think, a watch has become really sort of iconic, because A, we're not calling it a GMT-Master, we're not calling it a Rolex, we're just calling it a Batman. One thing I do love about not being in an AD anymore is having to apologise to people all day, every day, and saying, I'm sorry, I can't get one, having to explain the waiting list procedure. So to have one here that I actually can sell to somebody is a bit of a treat. You know, it's first come, first served. Anyone wants to come in and buy it, it's theirs. So the example we have here, which has got a full set with it, has everything you would expect to get if you were buying one brand new from an AD. This is the 2016 model. So now with this watch being had been superseded in 2019 with the newer version, the only way to obtain one of these is through the second-hand market, through dealers, through private sale. That's really the only way you're going to get that. It goes back to the age-old situation of supply and demand. There isn't an indefinite supply of these products. That's what's driving the prices up. At $13,995, this watch is very competitively priced. We've done a lot of research. We always check out the marketplace. We managed to bring this to you, what I believe is less than the current market is dictating. That certainly all north of 14.5 up to £15,000. And this one is perfect condition, clean as you like, with all the box and papers. So in the second-hand watch trade, the term full set is really referring to all the accompaniments that come with the watch. And of course, when you're buying from a business like ourselves as well, we've done all the groundwork and checking for you. You haven't got the worry that, can you trust this internet person? You can come in here and look me in the eye, and I can tell you that 30 years of reputation is not going to be damaged by me selling a watch that isn't perfect. Okay, so if you're interested in finding out more information about this watch we have here, then just click the link below. Alternatively, contact me direct in the Winchester store. The best time to buy this watch is right now. I mean, in 6 years, that's doubled it's now worth double its retail price. It's only going to go one way, so people still see that as a sound place to put money. I think that's going to be snapped up very quickly, so if you're interested in that, get in touch with us.